Hello, everybody, and welcome. My buddy Chip just drove up with a 2023 Model Y made in Austin. Yep, it has a 30,000 VIN, so they're really cranking them out in Austin now. Chip currently has a Model 3, an actual pristine Model 3, 18,000 miles, and it's up for sale. So if you're interested, put your name down in the comments and maybe we'll get together, or DM me. That's direct message me on Twitter at EVDave3. All right, well, you guys have seen my videos here about the Austin Model Ys. This is no exception. Let's have a quick look around. Let's see what's going on. But before we do, let's ask Chip. Now, Chip, you've had your Model 3 for how long now?
It'll be a week tomorrow.
A week? No, I mean, that's your Model Y.
Oh, the Model 3. Oh, my Model 3.
They look the same.
It's a 2020 model. So I've had it just over 2 years.
2 years and 18,000 miles on it.
18,000.
And of course, you treat it like a baby.
I always have, yeah.
Yeah,
it's
that's
been a great
good.
car, too.
Yeah, it's a real neat vehicle. I've been in it, and it's very well taken care of.
Yes, you actually took me down to pick it up.
I did. That's true.
Sure
We
did.
actually did a delivery video.
Yes, we did.
Anyway, so you picked up your Model Y now, and what do you like about the Model Y that may be an improvement over the Model 3?
Probably the biggest thing for me is it's higher. It's a little bit easier to get in and out of, which is I like that a lot. And just, I don't know, it's overall larger. Our daughter just moved back here from Austin. I have 2 grandkids, so I need a little more room in the back for the kids and things. So, and it's fits that nicely.
Oh, wait a minute now. You said she moved from Austin. Did she
did.
bring this car with her?
No, I wish she had. I'd have gotten it quicker.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
When did you actually order your Model Y?
I ordered it back in February.
Of 2022.
Yeah.
Yeah, I keep forgetting. It's 22 now.
It's still 22.
Yeah, so you ordered it in 21. Oh, no, you ordered it in 22.
In February of 2022.
Oh, this year?
Yeah,
Ah,
this year.
gee, time's flying.
I
It's
know, it
November
is.
already.
Yeah, 10 months. I finally got here, basically,
Wow.
yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
And overall fit and finish?
Everything's good. All the body panel alignments were perfect. No problems whatsoever.
Great. Well, it certainly looks good. Okay, well, let's have a quick look
Yeah,
at
let's
some
do
of the changes here.
Okay.
And Chip will walk with me, and we'll open the back door. If you guys remember from Andrew, one of the things the Austin cars do, and I don't know if you can see this real well, but this hole used to be plastic in the older Ys. It is now carpeted. And I would bet it's for sound deadening. And how quiet is this car for you, Chip?
It really is very quiet.
Is it?
I'm pretty surprised by it. And they have the double pane glass, too. On
Oh, that's true. You have the front. And if you notice, it has a thinner part and a thicker part.
Yes,
That's
yes.
what I noticed in Austin on Andrew's car. So if we look at this, you can actually see the outer pane is probably 2/3 maybe, and then there's a little bit of goop between it and a small piece on the inside.
Yeah, and it is definitely noticeably quieter.
Yeah, no, that's very cool. So, all right. So then the other thing that I noticed here on Austin Model Ys are the parcel shelf. Now, most people use these. Some people use these. And what's your opinion of the parcel shelf?
I'm still kind of deciding on that, whether I actually have had a little debate with myself about whether I'm going to leave it in or not. It's nice, especially if you have things that you don't want anybody to see it.
Right.
And it's not hard to maneuver around a little bit to put things in, but you have such a great space under here, and it kind of blocks that just a little bit. So I don't know. I can see me having it in sometimes and not in. If I'm on a trip, I imagine I'll probably put it in. Just
Just kind of mask whatever's in the back. Yeah, very good. Anyway, as you guys can see, fit and finish is awesome here in the Texas car. I would say it's as good as Andrew's, if not better. And it's a pretty snazzy vehicle. All right.
It didn't come with the bugs on the front, though.
No bugs.
My contribution since I had it.
Yeah, Chip was complaining that the darn bugs want to stick to the front. Well, I think that's part of the aerodynamics here in the car. All right, Chip. Well, I'm here to tell you that it is a beautiful car, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Any last words?
No, I'm just loving it. And if anybody's thinking about getting one, I say do it. Don't wait, because they're wonderful cars.
So you'd certainly recommend buying a Tesla.
I would. I cannot imagine ever going back to a ICE car ever.
And you charge it at home, of course.
I charge it at home. Yeah.
And use a wall connector then?
Yep, have a wall connector.
Okay.
And it works great.
Good.
Never have to worry. I'm always ready. It's always charged when I'm ready to go.
Yeah, so when you come home, what do you plug it in and then it's ready to go the next morning and without going to a gas station or any of that?
Yeah, definitely. That's the way I do it, and it's always ready. And I don't even charge at a high rate either. So
right.
I have much more capacity in that wall connector than I use if I need it.
Oh, sure.
You know.
Well, tell me something. In your Model 3, has the maintenance killed you with all of the maintenance you had to do on it?
Yeah, I think I threw my back out trying to pour the windshield washer fluid in one time.
That's about right. All the $5,
that's
right?
It. Yeah,
that's it.
Really.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. If you like today's video, go ahead and give me a like. And if you would, please subscribe. You know, I'd certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos and take care.